If your credit score looks like a roller coaster, it's time to smooth the ride. Join me as I share 10 proven tips to skyrocket your credit score. Let's make 2025 the year you conquer your credit. Remember to like and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. If you have any suggestions for financial literacy topics, please leave a comment. Boost your credit score in 2025 to 10 powerful tips. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to improve your credit score. Whether you're buying a house, getting a new car, or building a financial foundation, a good credit score is key. Let's get started. Know your starting point. Check your credit report. Your credit report is a crucial document that provides a detailed history of your credit activities. It includes information about your credit accounts, payment history, and any public records related to your financial behavior. Understanding your credit report is the first step in managing your financial health effectively. Before diving into tips, know where you stand by checking your credit report. This will give you a clear picture of your current credit status and help you identify areas that need improvement. Regularly reviewing your credit report can also help you detect any signs of identity theft or fraud early on. Access your report for free from Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion once a year through annualcreditreport.com. These three major credit bureaus compile your credit information and provide a comprehensive view of your credit history. By checking all three reports, you can ensure that the information is accurate and up to date across the board. Don't worry, checking your report is a soft inquiry and won't affect your score. Soft inquiries are different from hard inquiries, which occur when you apply for new credit. Soft inquiries are only visible to you and do not impact your credit score, so you can check your report as often as you like without any negative consequences. When you get your report, look for errors or discrepancies. Common errors include incorrect personal information, accounts that don't belong to you, and inaccurate account statuses. Identifying and correcting these errors is essential for maintaining a healthy credit score. Errors like late payments or closed accounts showing as open can drag down your score. These inaccuracies can have a significant impact on your creditworthiness and may result in higher interest rates or difficulty obtaining new credit. It's important to address these issues promptly to avoid any long-term negative effects on your credit score. Dispute any errors immediately with the respective credit bureau. Each credit bureau has a process for disputing inaccuracies, which typically involves submitting a dispute form along with any supporting documentation. Be sure to follow up on your dispute to ensure that the errors are corrected in a timely manner. Provide supporting documentation and be persistent. This may include copies of bank statements, payment receipts, or any other relevant documents that can help verify your claim. Persistence is key, as the dispute process can sometimes take several weeks to resolve. Correcting errors can boost your score. Once the inaccuracies are removed, you may see an improvement in your credit score, which can open up new financial opportunities and help you achieve your financial goals. Head over to annualcreditreport.com and grab your free reports today. Taking control of your credit report is an important step towards financial empowerment. By staying informed and proactive, you can ensure that your credit report accurately reflects your financial behavior and supports your financial well-being. Pay your bills on time. This simple yet powerful rule can make a significant difference in your financial health. The golden rule of credit. It's the foundation upon which your creditworthiness is built. Paying your bills on time is crucial. It shows lenders that you are reliable and can manage your finances responsibly. Payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. This means that even one missed payment can have a significant impact. Lenders want to see you're responsible with borrowed money. They look at your payment history to determine if you are a good risk. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure timely payments. This can help you avoid the stress of remembering due dates. If you miss a payment, contact your creditor immediately. Don't wait until the situation gets worse. They might waive late fees or work with you on a payment plan. Be proactive and communicate. Don't ignore the problem. Addressing it head-on can prevent further damage to your credit score. Remember, maintaining a good credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities, such as lower interest rates on loans and credit cards. So, always prioritize paying your bills on time and keep your financial future bright. Lower your credit utilization. Don't max out those cards. It's crucial to understand the impact of maxing out your credit cards on your financial health. Credit utilization refers to how much of your available credit you're using. For example, if you have a total credit limit of $10,000 and your balances add up to $3,000, your credit utilization ratio is 30%. A high credit utilization ratio can signal to lenders that you're overextended. This can make it harder to get approved for new credit or loans, and can even affect your interest rates. To maintain a healthy credit score, it's recommended to keep your credit utilization below 30%. This means if your total credit limit is $10,000, you should aim to keep your balances below $3,000. Focus on paying down existing debt. Prioritize high-interest debt first, as it can quickly spiral out of control. Make a budget and stick to it, ensuring you allocate funds specifically for debt repayment. Consider asking for a credit limit increase on your existing cards. This can help lower your credit utilization ratio, but it's important to use the extra credit responsibly. Don't see it as an opportunity to spend more, but rather as a tool to improve your credit score. Consistent efforts to pay down debt and manage credit responsibly will improve your score. Over time, you'll see positive changes in your credit report, which can open doors to better financial opportunities. Remember, improving your credit score is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, discipline, and consistent effort. Stay committed to your financial goals and you'll reap the rewards in the long run. New credit isn't always better. Avoid opening too many accounts. Opening multiple new accounts in a short period can hurt your score. Each application triggers a hard inquiry, temporarily dinging your score. Opening new accounts lowers your average age of credit history. Lenders prefer a long and established credit history. Be strategic about opening new credit accounts. Focus on building a solid history with existing accounts. Only apply for new credit when necessary. Keep those old accounts open. Age matters in credit. Lenders like to see a long and established credit history. Keep old credit accounts open, even if you don't use them often. Closing old accounts can shorten your credit history. Each credit account is like a chapter in your credit story. The longer your story, the better. Unless there's a compelling reason, keep old accounts open. Use them occasionally to keep them active. Mix it up. The power of a diverse credit portfolio. A variety of credit types can boost your score. It shows lenders you can manage different types of credit responsibly. A healthy credit mix includes revolving credit and installment credit. Consider opening a new type of credit account if it fits your needs. Always borrow responsibly. Minimize hard inquiries. Hard inquiries occur when a lender checks your credit report. They can temporarily lower your score. Multiple hard inquiries in a short period can signal risk to lenders. Hard inquiries stay on your report for about 2 years. Be selective about the credit you apply for. Only apply for credit when necessary. If rate shopping, do it within a short period to minimize impact. Credit scoring models may count multiple inquiries as one. Rebuilding credit. Consider a secured credit card. Secured credit cards require a security deposit equal to your credit limit. They're designed to help people with limited or damaged credit. Use the card responsibly to build or rebuild your credit score. Choose a secured card with low fees. Ensure the issuer reports your payment history to all 3 credit bureaus. Communication is key. Don't be afraid to negotiate. If you're struggling to make payments, reach out to your creditors. Creditors prefer to help you find a solution rather than go through collections. Discuss your financial situation honestly. Creditors might offer options like lowering your interest rate or waiving late fees. Communicate proactively and explore all options. Don't wait until you're in serious financial trouble. The sooner you act, the more options you'll have. Stay informed. Monitor your credit regularly. Make it a habit to monitor your credit regularly. Track your progress and spot errors quickly. Prevent identity theft by keeping an eye on your credit report. Use free credit monitoring services. Set a reminder to check your credit report monthly. Build and maintain a healthy credit score. And there you have it, 10 actionable tips to improve your credit score in 2025. Building good credit takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Follow these tips to unlock financial opportunities. Take control of your credit today and build a brighter financial future. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here's the bonus tip that we promised. Why do 70% of young adults struggle with loans? Credit scores. Your credit score is key. Tip: pay your bills on time, every time. It boosts your score and opens doors to better loans and lower rates. Simple, right? The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only, and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.